South Fork of the Snake River near Idaho Falls is a treasured native Yellowstone cutthroat trout fishing stream and a popular recreation area. Multiple agencies work together to combat noxious weeds in the South Fork Canyon via the Upper Snake River Cooperative Weed Management Area. Last year, a steep hillside needed treatment for hound's tongue and musk thistle. The Fremont County Weed Department treated the weeds with their big drone.
And there was one large hillside that they had spent a full crew backpacking it the year before, spent 4 days on it. We took the drone up, spent a few hours on it and sprayed that whole hillside with one drone.
Fremont County has been making big strides in its noxious weed control program by adding 3 drones to its fleet. Assistant Weed Manager Chase Hershey is their drone pilot. The drones allow Fremont County to treat over 6,000 acres a year while also assisting partner agency to treat weeds on state and federal lands. The use of drones in natural resources management and agriculture is growing rapidly. Fremont County officials want to be on the leading edge of that trend.
The drones, they've found their place in our county and they've performed well. Like, we enjoy using them. They've done a good job. We do contract work. We'll do, obviously, the county work, roadsides, gravel pits, like that. We're also hired to do private rangelands and pastures. And we also have contracts with Forest Service, BLM, railroad, highways. We do all that work as well.
Preventing the spread of noxious weeds is a big job for Idaho counties statewide. The spread of noxious weeds on Idaho's rangelands is considered one of the top 3 threats to the shrub-steppe ecosystem.